Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Prada eyeglasses model VPR53X in color code 1AB-1O1. The color of the frame is black. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that it doesn't get scratched or damaged. These glasses are a rectangular shape, and they're also RXable. On its temple, find the Prada logo in gold, and the temples are black. On both sides. You also find the Prada logo engraved on its bottom left lens. On the inner right temple, you'll find the Prada logo, that it's made in Italy, and the serial number. On its inner left temple, you'll find the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 52 is for its lens, 17 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Prada gift box, a black Prada cleaning cloth, and a Prada hard case. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these glasses or any other glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.